Gemstone Aquamarine. Aquamarine's name comes from the Latin for sea water, and it was said to calm waves and keep sailors safe at sea. March birthstone was also thought to enhance the happiness of marriages. The best gems combine high clarity with limpid transparency and blue to slightly greenish blue hues. Like many beryls, aquamarine forms large crystals suitable for sizable fashion gems and carvings. People used to believe that aquamarines could protect sailors and their ships from disasters at sea. The gem was also thought to heal illness that affected the stomach, liver, jaws, and throat. The blue color of aquamarine ranges from a blue color that's so faint that's almost imperceptible to a blue color that is rich and vibrant. There's an enormous difference in price between a stone with a faint blue color and a similar stone with a vibrant blue color. Shop with that in mind. Many people find a stone that fits their budget in the middle of the color range. Most aquamarine has a very light color, which can be almost unnoticeable in very small stones. Stones with a rich blue color are the most popular. They are also the rarest and most valuable. Aquamarine is best known as a highly transparent blue stone. Unlike emerald, the deep green variety of beryl, high clarity, fracture free aquamarine is abundant and more affordable. High clarity fracture free stones are also more attractive and less likely to be damaged during wear. Did you know that nice pieces of translucent aquamarine are also used in jewelry? Translucent aquamarine is often cut into beads and sometimes cut as capstones. Necklaces strung with beads of pastel blue aquamarine and pastel pink morganite, both color varieties of the mineral beryl, make a beautiful combination.